overrated.
Oh, they have the best cookies here. So our team is in charge of getting all fat foods, like cookies and cheeses, because he just got out of jail. And bitch, when did you have a cookie? 9 months ago.
Where's the anti-keto aisle? Too healthy.
Healthy,
Too healthy. Oh, Bill! Look at you just had Bill. Look at.
We walk into Uncle Gino's, and it's like a Guido's heaven on earth. Nah, get 2 of those.
But in, ooh, Dee, I want to do a cheese platter.
Maybe we should have got 2 things.
All right, boy, just pile it in.
Pepperonis. There's the Italian food, the cheeses. Oh my God, I love cheese. Every cheese they have.
I'm like, this is my favorite cookie.
Oh, I just put them in.
This is the best day of my life.
I put them in. I got them ready. So many cookies. Italian cookies, sprinkle cookies. I'm dying. I can't.
Chicken parm rice balls. We should get assorted balls.
Those are huge balls.
Rice balls. Oh my God, I'm in heaven here.
This is better than sex.
Be gone, be gone, be gone. So be gone, be gone, be gone. So be gone, be gone.
I think that Mike is gonna be team situation. He's been working so hard at his new body. I don't think he's gonna devour every piece of cake that he sees.
Yeah, give him some seaweed to snack on.
So I'm confident the BDS crew is going to take the L.
We need pills to help a couple have a baby.
Stuff to get.
A little ginseng, honey.
Stop.
A little ginseng.
Just little magical stuff to get.
So we got pills. I mean, there's like pills to make your pee-pee for like 3 days.
All right, we definitely gotta get one of these.
There's pills for women's sexual libido.
What about this one? The women's libido. Same
Get
thing.
that, grab it. Grab it.
I didn't even know women can get any hornier.
Should get some for you and Pauly too, then.
Oh, here we go, chips.
Chips! He loves his Doritos.
Mike loves his foods. He loves his snacks, his junk food. So there's no question that Mike's favorite items are gonna be the stuff that me and the meatballs got. Not that keto crap.
Chips, boys.
Some Doritos.
This is awesome.
What is that actually?
Turmeric.
Yeah, what is that?
I drink those in my shots.
Do you really?
Ooh,
Holy
it's like a
chocolate
full
log
sheet.
roll.
I think he wants organic seaweed.
Of course, grab it.
They have a cart of lettuce, we have a cart of fun.
Party, yeah! Watch Jersey Shore Family Vacation every Thursday.